Alright, this is the annual destruction of the gingerbread house. Chuck it! Pugs! Oh! Don't you want some, Toby? Come get some house. Look. There's Cookie. Toby, are you kidding? Look, it's Cookie. Come here. It's okay, honey. Come get some Cookie. Toby. Oh. Salinger likes it, don't you, buddy?
Here, Sally, you want a piece?
Look. You want to bite a cookie? Look, Holmes got a cookie.
So, sit. Come on.
Good boy. Is it good? He's like, it's kind of stale. What are you giving me your old gingerbread house for? And Toby's taking a leak over there. That's good.
Here.
Come here, Toby. You want some cookie?
Toby.
Come here, honey. Oh, is that good? Can your teeth chop it?
That sounds good.
All right, then we got to clean this up. They're going to get sick. We should have probably brought a bag out. Good job.